Okay, now what we're going to do is take a look at a battery charger. What I've done right now is I've put it up on a workbench or a toolbox here to make things a little bit easier to show for demonstration purposes. So now I'm going to pick the camera up and I'm going to come up here and I'm going to point to a few things. One, this is our off-on switch. It's a timer itself. I can put it on a continuous hold over here, or you can put it on like 90 minutes and it will eventually stop. I've got 6 volts, 12 volt low, 12 volt medium. A little bit over here you can see 12 volt high. This is our amp gauge on the thing. Now basically when we hook a battery charger up, I want to make sure it's off, and I also want to make sure that the 110 plug-in is unplugged. Now what we're going to do is transfer ourselves over to here. We're going to try to get this camera set up pretty easily. I'm going to push it down to about right there. Now, the negative cable on the battery is right here. The positive cable on the battery is right here. I think you can see that behind everything there. Okay, I'm going to put this back down again. And go over to here. For our negative, we can hook up to a different position over here on the actual engine block, but also there is a terminal here for our positive cable that's so much easier to get a hold of. Okay, so now when we hook our battery charger up, what I like to do is to hook our positive cable up first, so we'll put it on here. Now what I can do is I'm going to swing over again and I'm going to hook up to a negative on my engine mount over here. Then I'm going to turn my attention back over to the actual charger itself. I will set it to my desired setting over here, so let's just choose 12 volt low, and then what I will do is I will then turn my machine on. As this thing goes along, the timer will click off and it will eventually shut the battery charger itself off. Then what I will do is come back over. I will then take off my negative lead, set it down off to the side, then take my positive lead off, and that is how I will disconnect and connect the battery charger.